Alright, guys, let's break down the Cisco 9300 Stack Kit Compatibility Guide. So, we're talking about the Cisco Catalyst 9300 series, and here's the scoop. You can't just mix and match stack kits and cables between the 9300, 9300X, 9300L, and 9300LM models. Nope, not gonna work. Now, let's chat about the different StackWise technologies. We've got StackWise for 180, StackWise 1T, and StackWise 320. Each of these models has its own connectors and bandwidth capabilities, so you gotta pay attention to that. The guide also gives you the lowdown on what stacking combos you can and can't use. Plus, it mentions some lifecycle changes, like how the C930L stack kit is being swapped out for Kit 2. Super important to know! And trust me, this guide isn't just a bunch of tech jargon. It's packed with tips to help you choose the right stack kits and steer clear of any stacking mishaps or performance hiccups. So, if you're looking to keep things running smoothly, definitely check it out.